Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another quick tech fix video. Today I'll show you how to fix Rust getting stuck on the loading bootstrap system screen. A really common issue that stops the game from loading properly. So let's jump right into it. Method 1. When you click play on Rust, don't tap out of the game. Just let it load. Avoid switching to Discord, Chrome, or anything else while it's starting up. Sometimes the game freezes on Bootstrap because it loses focus when you switch windows, so just let it load, and for many players this simple trick already fixes the issue. If that doesn't work, this next one will 100% fix it, but there's a small downside. Go to Steam, Library, Rust, and Properties, Local Files, and browse local files. Find rust.exe, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. This should make the game load normally, but you won't be able to use your Steam or Discord overlay or push to talk while playing. If you don't mind that, this method works great. And that's it. 2 easy ways to fix Rust getting stuck on the Bootstrap screen. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching.